Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to contact TikTok support. Now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open TikTok on your phone. And now once you open it, you should go and click on your profile icon on the bottom right side. Then now go and click on the hamburger menu on the top right side. And now go and click on settings and privacy. Then you should scroll down till you get here, report a problem. Simply click on it and scroll down till you find this option, chat with us. Just tap on it. And now we can talk with TikTok support. This is their AI. You can choose whatever option that you actually need and tell them exactly what is your problem. You can even send them messages like so, and they will reply to you as soon as possible, and they will also provide you with all the details in order to fix your problem. You can even go back to settings, just like so, then scroll down, click on support, and this is also another way that you can actually talk to them or contact the support. You have here the help center. In addition to that, you have the privacy center and so on. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.